Hello, how are you doing? We hope you're doing good.
Hello.
My lovely wife, Dr. Lisa, my favorite doctor, and I'm Dr. Gary Arthur here in downtown Laguna Beach since 1987. We're both doctors of chiropractic and naturopathic medicine, and we're glad that you're joining us today. And Lisa, what have you noticed has been the general sense of feeling during this time with people? What are you hearing from our friends? What are you seeing in social media about what's going on?
Well, I think people are concerned, people are a little scared, and I think people are searching for answers. And I know that one answer is keeping your immune system up, healthy, and boosted, because we are only as strong as the soil of our bodies. And so we have developed some things immune-wise that help to boost the immune system and keep it strong.
Yeah.
So I think that is very proactive, and it's something that people can do to keep themselves feeling like I'm doing something. This is making a difference in my body and in my health.
Yeah. I think there's basic things that we know that we've talked about many times to keep your immune system strong and keep your body healthy during the holidays. We have other videos all about that. But I think the thing is that we were thinking is we want to come alongside our patients and people in this community to help give them a sense of strength, a sense of hope, to let them feel that they're prepared for, being exposed, that their systems are strong. I mean, our bodies are made to be exposed to viruses and bacteria and molds.
And they're everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere. This is part of life. But it's just having a strong immune system that we all need. So with our 34 years of doing this kind of work now, we've put together some basic things for people that want to have an immune support type of package for them and their family to stay strong. Now, this is a robust protocol, but we've done the research to look at what are the key things that will help to boost your immune system, keep it strong, even to stay healthy through the holidays. And if you feel like you're starting to get you're starting to come down with something, you can utilize a stronger dosage of these things. Remember, these aren't treating a bug, but what they are is boosting your immune system so that you can actually, have a robust immune response. And we've put together a protocol for adult population, teens and older, and then we put together a protocol for kids as well, which are much easier to take, some homeopathic remedies, some liquids, some chewables, things like that, so that kids can stay strong and healthy at this time too. So if you go to healthandbalanceshop.com, you can see all the data of what we're recommending and why we're recommending it, and the dosages are there, and what the benefit is of each one of the products. And we've tried to take a very comprehensive look so that people in your family can be taking a little bit of each thing, maybe a couple times a day, so that you stay really strong during the holidays, because this is when everybody gets sick. I mean, what have you noticed in terms of the seasons when people get sick?
Definitely fall, winter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you think that is?
I think people maybe are indoors more, there's more parties, there's more festivities, and we all know that sugar and alcohol depress our immune system.
And sometimes people feel a lot of stress during the holidays.
And yes, they do.
So therefore, this is why we made the recommendations. So you can go to the website at healthandbalanceshop.com, and you'll be able to find the data that we're suggesting that you take a look at if you want to have those strong immune systems and get more information.